Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding graduate apprentice trainees in HPCL organization. Okay, so here HPCL proposes to engage graduate apprentice trainees in different engineering streams like civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics, and telecommunication, instrumentation, computers and IT. Okay, and important dates. So commencement of online application which starts from 21st November 2020, and last date of online application is 5th December 2020. Okay, 5th December is the last date. Okay, and these are the available streams. Okay, and minimum age limit is 18 years, maximum age limit 25 years, and age relaxation is for SC/ST 5 years, and OBC non-creamy layer and 3 years, and PWD candidates 10 years. Okay, these are the qualification criteria, engineering graduation in these particular streams. Okay, and with 60% aggregate marks of all semesters, this is important, 60% aggregate marks of all semesters years for general, OBC, non-creamy layer, and 50% for SC/ST PWD. Okay, and monthly stipend is 25,000 rupees. Okay, and one more important thing, so only the candidates are registered and approved on the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme web portal and by Board of Apprenticeship Training will be considered for the selection to undergo 1 year apprenticeship training. If you want to apply this for this particular notification, so you have to go through this NARTS website. Okay, through this NARTS website only you have to apply. Okay, and engineering graduates in civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, computer science, IT streams, so who have completed engineering graduation after May 2019 onwards are eligible to apply. Candidates passed out prior to May 2019 are not eligible for this particular apprenticeship training. Okay, and one more thing, minimum age requirement is 18, max 25 years as on 21st November 2020, right? And next thing, so this is important, candidate fulfilling all the above mentioned eligibility criteria will be called for interview. Management reserves the right to restrict the number of candidates to be called for interview, which will be tentatively scheduled in the month of December 2020. Okay, and all India merit list will be drawn basis the academic results of engineering degree and scores in the interview. Okay, so engineering results, engineering merit plus interview marks. So by considering these two parameters, they will decide the merit list. Okay, and one more important thing, and here this is very important, so just you can go through this particular instruction. So the benefit of this particular apprenticeship program is whoever completed successful 1 year of apprenticeship program, okay, in HPCL, so those people will get some benefits. Okay, so one of the benefit is so in near future, if HPCL conducts any graduate engineering trainee level exams, okay, graduate engineering trainee recruitment, okay, in that, for that particular recruitment they will allocate 5% marks for a computer based test. Okay, so this is one of the benefit for this apprenticeship program. Just you kindly go through this particular thing, and so if you want to apply this particular notification, just you can go through this NARTS website, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Okay, so this is regarding apprenticeship program in HPCL organization. Okay, for more job updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, comment on comment box, and thank you.